If you want to find out how to get this glueless 360 amazing wig, just keep on watching.
Yeah, bad girl, that. She just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. We know where you want and need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing an Ashimary wig and I'm really excited. This is my first 360 wig that I'm reviewing, I believe so I'm really excited to see how it is. They gave me some goodies, so I'm just showing you guys a wig cap, like a guide to hair, some lashes, a melting band with the ear muffs so that your ears won't hurt when you're melting it, a brush, some pins, tape glue, and all that good stuff. All right, so let's get down to the review. I'm taking out the hair out the bag so that you guys can see it right out the bag. I haven't seen it yet myself. And this is how it looks. It comes with a protective mesh. Look at that curly, beautiful hair, you guys. Like, that is amazing. Anyway, so this is how it looks, you guys. There is lace all around the perimeter. Again, this is a 360 wig. And you can see inside too. I'll show you guys. There is a lot of lace space. Like, this is really, really nice. And there are two combs at the top. There is an adjustable band since we will be wearing this glueless. And there's a comb at the bottom. And I'm trying to show you guys. So you see this clear stripe, and it goes on each side. So you basically pull each side when it's on your head so that the wig can just fit on your head without you having to glue it. So that's a really good thing. I can't wait to try that out. So I'm gonna put it on my head just so that you guys can see exactly how it would look when you take it out of the box. So clearly there are some things that we need to do, like blend it down to our skin tone. But what I love is that it's pre-plucked. It's amazing. You can tell that it's definitely HD lace. It's a very good thin lace. And yeah, I'm really excited to put it on. So this is how the hair looks on my head.
If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that.
Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a flat brush along with my Fenty bronzer, and I'm just going to put it all around the lace, every part of the lace, so that it can blend nicely with my head. And the reason why I use a bronzer and not my foundation shade is because my forehead is much darker than my face. So just use whatever works for you. And after I do that, I'm going to take an eyebrow scraper and I'm just going to cut around the lace. I didn't add it because you guys have seen me do that before. You just cut close to where the hairline is. Anyways, now I am putting on the wig. I'm just really taking my time. Take your time to adjust it properly. This is a 360 wig, so the back also very much counts. So I'm just adjusting it, trying to see exactly where it fits right. It's okay if you're struggling, because I'm struggling too, girl. All right. Okay, so now that I have it on top of my head, look at that. Look at that. It looks amazing. The lace is amazing now that I blended it to my skin. So it's definitely going to be doable to do this as a glueless wig. And I'm going to show you guys, like, if you just want to like pop it on your head, like, I know sometimes like we are busy, okay, and we just gonna kind of put on a wig and then go about our day. Like, if you need to, like, I don't know, run to the grocery store or something like that, you literally can just blend it to your head, adjust it, and then kind of just put the hair on the side if you wanted to, and then that can be like one of the finishing looks. Clearly you will probably have to like fix it much better, but I just wanted to show you guys, like, it is doable to just have it on your head and go about your day if you needed to. But I will not be doing that today. I want to show you guys a really cute messy bun look. So This is going to be glueless, but I will be adding a little bit of spray just so that the sides can stay on my head. So what I do is I see that it just needs a little bit more blending, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of that bronzer, and I'll be adding more later too. Anyway, so I take my Got To Be spray and I just kind of spray it all over where I want it to go. I'm not gonna spray any in the front because I really don't need to. So yeah, I just do that, and I'm gonna do that on the other side also, and then I will be adding the headband that is provided, the Ashimary headband right here, the melting band. So when I do that, I'm just letting it set on my head, and I'm going to do a messy bun. So I just kind of put my head down, and that is to capture the hair in a ponytail like this. You could do a ponytail like that. Like, honestly, I'm kind of wishing that I did because this looks cute. But I did a cute messy bun, kind of like a effortless bun, just, you know, going about your day, you know, the cute girl look. So this is how I'll be leaving it. I find this super cute. Anyway, so now that it is nice and set, I'm going to take off the melting band.
Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight.
Alright, and as you can see, all I need to do really, it's nice and set. All I need to do is go in again with that bronzer to make it nice and just blend it a little bit more. So now I'm also going to fix the back of the hair because you guys know this is a 360, and yeah, as you can tell, my kitchen is kitchening, okay? Like, I have some very coarse hair in the back, which is fine because we love our hair textures. Learn to love your hair texture, everyone. I actually have locks under this, but anyways. So yeah, I am doing some baby hairs to make it look nice and more natural. And basically, you guys, after I do the baby hairs, after I fix it up a bit, like, that's basically it. You guys saw it didn't take me long at all to do. This is something that you would think would take so long, but voila, here is the final look. I definitely recommend this hair. It's soft, it's amazing, minimal to no shedding at all. Thank you so much, Ashimary Hair, for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.
Come on and give me that good, good love.